Hello everyone, how are you? Good morning to all. Today I will tell you a very interesting thing and you will relate with it. Okay, so often you have seen in your life that and many people do it and experience it in everyday life that you think so much that from tomorrow onwards I will do this and I will keep continue doing this. Like take the example of studies. Many students thinks that I will from tomorrow onwards, from next day onwards, I will study continuously and I will make it a good habit. Every day I will study. They decide and they decide a time, a proper time. This is the time. Every day I will sit and I will do my studies, right? But they do it in the first day. Again, when the second day come, it's feel like they become upset, they mentally become low, they are not interested, they feel like not interested to do it, and they feel like okay, let's see a movie today, let's listen to a song, let's watch some videos on YouTube, on Insta. So this happens. And do you know why this happens? Because we are not habituated to study every day. So when the persons go to sit for in the second day for studies or for any other work, they have decided to do it, they feel it like uh, somebody is forcing not to do it. And if they find a small reason to not to do that work, they will definitely not do it. You might have also experienced this with yourself also in your life. Okay, so what we can do to overcome this one, like how we can make a good habit of doing something like for studies or any other work regularly and make it a habit, how we can do it. There is no any like medicine for it that if we take that medicine we can make a good habit for doing a particular work every day for a very long time. Okay, so actually the simple way of making a good habit for doing something every day and making it a habit is only to overcome that situation when we feel like not doing it in the second day or in the third day, right? So that is the thing. If we overcome that, when even we are feeling not interested to do that, we should do it. We should do it for the second day, third day, fourth day, and after 10 or 15 days it will be automatically, it will be our like habit, a part of our daily routine, and we will be doing after that regularly. So that retardation we face in the second or third or till the 10th day, we should make our mind in such a way that no, even I am feeling not interested, not doing it. Again, you need to go oppose of that your mindset, that thinking, that situation, means you have to overcome it anyhow. Because if you don't overcome that until and unless, then you can't make a good habit. So actually I'm facing this problem, so I thought of speaking on this and share my experience with you, so you can do it. You can make a good habit in this way. Like this way means you have to do it, you have to overcome that retardation you face in your life. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share in this video. So I will be coming every day with some new ideas, with some new topic like this. See, I am trying to make a habit to make short videos like this. Let's see if I could do it or not in the next day or in the third day. So for today, bye, have a great day.